All right, how is everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test video testing out the microphones on board the LavaBeans E10 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Okay, so today in this video, we're going to test out the onboard microphones on the E10s in two different scenarios. The first scenario is going to be in a simulated noise-free or as noise-free as I can get it environment, this first scenario here. And then the second scenario, I do have some simulated crowd noise pulled up on my TV, and we're going to use that to simulate how the microphones will perform in a crowded or noisy environment. Just for reference, my TV is set to 18% volume, just so you know. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So as I said, starting off, this is the first environment here that we're testing the earbuds microphones in, and this is a simulated noise-free or as noise-free as I can get it environment, okay? So this is what the microphones sound like, all right? Now, let me go ahead and push play. We're gonna let the crowd noise play for a little bit, and then I'm going to talk at my natural cadence, at my natural volume. This way y'all get an idea of how the microphones will perform. So let's go ahead and push play. Let it play for a little bit. Okay, that's good. Now I'm just gonna talk. So now here's what the microphones sound like in a simulated crowded environment. Okay? And hopefully they're doing a good job of isolating my voice over the surrounding or ambient noises or sounds. Okay? Okay, not bad. I hope this comes out good. I hope it comes out really good. Let me pause the crowd noise now. Boom. And that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for the testing of the onboard microphones on the LavaBeans E10 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now, before I get up out of here and give y'all the standard outro, I just want to let everyone know how everything is set up. So, I have some B-roll that I'm going to throw up in post right now. And in it, you'll see that I just connected up the earbuds to the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Okay, I verified that the earbuds were connected. All right, then I went into the stock Samsung Galaxy camera application. All right, and you can see I just zoomed into the crowd noise that I have pulled up in the background just to verify and show y'all that I do have crowd noise pulled up in the background. Okay, and then all I did was swipe over to the video pro mode. And y'all can see I left all the other settings the same. And I just went to audio output or audio input. And I switched it over to Bluetooth input. And you can see when I switch it over to Bluetooth input, it gives me a little notification stating that all the audio will be picked up via the connected Bluetooth source. All right. So now y'all can see exactly how I have the video set up. Okay, and this is just for verification and reference purposes, because y'all know I'm all about keeping it straight 100 around here. Okay, now that being said, this whole video here today was recorded with the rear-facing primary 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. It was recorded in 720p, and we are using Bluetooth audio to record all the audio in this video here today. So as always, please let me know what you think of the overall video quality. Please let me know what you think of the overall audio quality. And please let me know what you think of the lighting, okay? As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. And please remember to keep your feedback respectful, please. All right? That being said, that pretty much does it for this video. As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content and coverage like this on different earbuds, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure y'all click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if y'all would like to know where y'all can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices, all the links to where y'all can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices will again be available down below in the video description. And those links down below in the video description will contain affiliate buy links, meaning that when y'all do click on those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I can continue to fund the channel and continue to bring you guys and gals content at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So, in my opinion, that makes it a win win for everyone. So, as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description, down below, will be like a one stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Okay? I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there because the world is getting crazy out here. And I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.